Best crypto to buy today 23 December, FGHT, LUNC, D2T, DOGE, CCHG. The cryptocurrency market is flat today, with its total cap of $847 billion unchanged in 24 hours but down by 4% in a week. The overall market is also down by 5% in a fortnight and by 23% since FTX's collapse at the start of November, with little changing in the market or global economy to reinject some much-needed optimism. Despite the overall market being down, a number of coins have bucked the trend by posting gains today. Meanwhile, various new altcoins have recently opened their presales, providing early investors with the opportunity of making some market-beating gains once they list on exchanges for the first time. Accordingly, this article collects the best crypto to buy today, including Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, Dogecoin, DOGE, and FightOut, FGHT. FightOut, FGHT. Running on Ethereum, FightOut, FGHT, is a move-to-earn fitness app that combines real-life workouts with Web3. Set to go live in the second quarter of next year, it aims to compete with the likes of STEPN and Sweatcoin, yet rather than simply rewarding steps a user takes, it will reward a much wider variety of workouts, including boxing, weightlifting and yoga. Launched last week, FightOut's token sale has already raised over $2.3 million, with its price set at $1 for 60.06 FGHT tokens. The sale has been allocated 60% of FGHT's total maximum supply, which is capped at 10 billion, with the remaining 40% will going towards exchange liquidity and rewards and development. Investors can participate in the sale by visiting FightOut's website and connecting their Wallet Connect or MetaMask wallets, with participants able to use either ETH or USDT to buy FGHT. As an added incentive, the token sale is currently offering bonuses of up to 50% for early investors, enabling them to get even more value. Looking at FightOut's fundamentals, it will combine its fitness app with real-world workout sessions, with its white paper, explaining that it will open up to 20 of its own gyms worldwide, while also partnering with various existing gyms. Terra Luna Classic, LUNC. LUNC has risen by 0.5% in the last 24 hours, moving up to $0.00013848. This represents a 14% decline in a week and a 20% fall in a fortnight, with the altcoin also having sunk 14% in a month. Despite recent falls, LUNC's indicators suggest that a weekend rally may be on the cards. Its 30-day moving average, red, has been below its 200-day average, blue, for over a week, yet the fact that its relative strength index, purple, has just shot above 60 suggests a turnaround. The main reason for this increase in momentum is that the Terra Luna Classic community is voting on a new proposal, which would reverse a decision to send 50% of all LUNC burns to a community development pool. So far, 79% of all validators have voted yes on the proposal, meaning it will almost certainly pass. In turn, this means that more, rather than less, LUNC will be burned over the coming weeks and months, with the total burn count now standing at 36.43 billion. Of course, this is only a fraction of the 6.87 trillion LUNC currently in circulation, but with the total steadily increasing every month, and with incoming plans and proposals to increase it further, the altcoin supply will shrink over time. This will inevitably mean a higher price. -2Trade, D2T. Another new Ethereum-based platform, -2Trade is a trading intelligence app that provides investors with real-time analytics and social trading data, helping them to stay ahead of the cryptocurrency market and make better investment decisions. The sale of its D2T token has raised over $10.5 million and is now in its final stage, which is due to end in 13 days. From there, D2T will welcome its first listings from January 11th, with Bitmart, Changelly Pro and LBank Exchange being the first exchanges to confirm support for the new token. What makes -2Trade exciting is that it will include pretty much every resource a trader will need to give themselves the best possible chance of profiting from the cryptocurrency market. This includes social sentiment metrics, on-chain analysis, trading signals, strategy building tools, news feeds, exclusive pre-sale access, and new listing alerts, while more features will follow later in 2023. With -2Trade due to launch in the first quarter of next year, and with the platform's Twitter account already attracting over 34,000 followers, it's in a strong position to enjoy considerable growth as crypto steadily returns to more bullish conditions. Dogecoin, DOGE. Doge has risen by 5.5% in the past 24 hours, following a new listing on Bitstamp. Despite rising to $0.078220, it remains down by 7% in the past week and by 20% in the last 14 days. Doge's indicators suggest that it's on the cusp of short-term rally, with its RSI beginning to rise up from 30, which indicated that it had been oversold. As stated above, Bitstamp's listing of Doge is the main reason why it's rallying today. The altcoin is also compensating for falls earlier in the week, which came when Elon Musk announced he would be stepping down as CEO, once a new CEO has been hired. Musk's decision is damaging for Doge insofar as it potentially reduces the probability of Twitter introducing Dogecoin payments of some kind. However, Musk will remain the social network's owner, while he'll also oversee its software and server teams, so there remains some chance of Doge payments or tipping somewhere down the line. If so, expect Doge to rally big, easily leaving behind its current price and perhaps returning to levels it hasn't seen since the start of 2022. C+ charge, CCHG. With the overarching aim of widening access to carbon credits, C+ charge, CCHG, is a new peer-to-peer payment system for electric vehicle, EV, charging stations. It has recently launched the pre-sale for its native CCHG token, which will be used by its users to pay to charge their EV vehicles and its stations. The CCHG token sale will have 4 stages in total, with the current first stage selling at a price of $0.01300. This will then eventually rise to a final sale price of $0.02350, meaning that CCHG will effectively gain by 80% even before it lists. CCHG will have a total supply of 1 billion, with 40% of this supply allocated to the sale. With no vesting period for the pre-sale, early investors will be able to book profits as soon as the coin lists on exchanges in the new year. Interestingly, C+ charge will reward users with carbon credits for charging their EVs at its stations, with these credits will be provided in the form of the platform's Goodness Native Token, GNT. Such credits can also be tokenized as NFTs, providing further scope for benefiting from simply using the platform's network of stations. This network has already begun growing, with C+ charge already signing a deal with Perfect Solutions Turkey, a deal which will add 20% of the EV chargers in Turkey to its network. This stands as a strong statement of intent from C+ charge, which looks primed to grow strongly in the coming months and years. Visit C+ charge now.